Can you open it up? Can you open it up? Is that your present, Colby? Get it, get it, get it, get it. What's in there? Good boy, just don't eat the paper. Oh, did you find something fun in there? Good boy. Oh, is that a toy, Colby? You're better at opening presents than the baby. Good boy. Good boy, Colby. Good boy. Did you get it? There's still a tag. Is that your toy? Is that your toy? Papa's gonna throw it for you.
Here you go, bud. Here you go, bud. Whoops.
Uh-oh.
Oh, good boy.
There's a happy dog. There's a happy dog.